I think what this is really forcing people to do, whether you like the idea of them or not, is take a really hard look at their supply chain. We talked about this for a long time when we started talking about CT-PAD and the idea of going into that program. And where we see a lot of the benefit was not necessarily joining in, but getting ready and going through that really deep dive into your supply chain. And I think that's what these duties are really forcing everybody to do, is take a hard look at the supply chain and say, where can I take advantage of something different? Can I move, sourcing somewhere else? Or what do my contracts look like for potential price increases for things that are out of my control? And I think we're seeing this stuff that maybe we either just hadn't thought about for a long time or took for granted. It is really all at the forefront of all of our minds. And how do we get beyond that?
We've been doing a lot of work of substantial transformation. People moving supply chains partially out of China to the extent they have to make their product a product of another country.
Right.